back on my face to the back like I'm taking a slap. I need a drink.
Now we start the question number 2 of chapter 2, exercise 2.2. Find P0, P1 and P2 for each of the following polynomials. Here polynomials are given. Py is equal to y square minus y plus 1, and we want P0, P1 and P2. Here first we write the polynomial Py is equal to y square minus y plus 1. For this polynomial we want the value of P0, P1 and P2. So first we find the value of P0. Now for this, what we do, in place of x we write 0. So in the place of y we write 0. Right? In RHS we write 0 square minus 0 plus 1. 0 square minus 0, तो 0 होता है plus 1. So our answer is 1. Now we want P1. So in place of y we put 1. So P1 we want. So in the RHS in place of y we write 1. So here we write 1 square and minus 1 plus 1. Right? So minus 1 plus 1 will be cut and 1 square is equal to 1. So here we get answer 1. Now here we want P2. So in the polynomial Py is equal to y square minus y plus 1. In place of y we write 2. So here we write P2. So in the RHS in place of y we write 2. 2 square minus 2 plus 1. So here 2 square is equal to 4 and minus 2 plus 1 we get the answer minus 1. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So in the question number 1, here Py is equal to y square minus y plus 1 is given. So here we got P0 equals to 1, P1 equals to 1 and P2 equals to 3. Now we see the question number 2. Here Pt is equal to 2 plus t plus 2t square minus t cube is given, and we want the P0, P1 and P2 for this polynomial. So in place of t, 1 by 1 we take 0, 1 and 2. First we take the 0. P0. So in the RHS, in place of t, we write 0. 2 plus 0 plus 2 in the bracket 0 square minus 0 cube. 2 plus 0 2 होता है. 0 square is 0 and 0 into 2 0 आएगा. 0 cube 0 होता है. Right? So 2 plus 0 we get here 2. Now we find the value of P1. So here we write P1. So in the RHS, in place of t, we write 1. 2 plus 1 plus 2. आपने ऐसा लिख दिया तो ये गलत हो जाएगा. It is wrong because 2 and t square in the multiplication form. So you have to write 2 and 1 square in the multiplication form. So you have to put here bracket and here we write minus 1. So 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 plus 2 into 1 square is 1 and minus 1 cube is 1. So here 3 minus 1 2, 2 plus 2 ones are 2 2 plus 2 आंसर आएगा 4, right? Now we find the value of P2. In place of T, we write 2. In the RHS, in place of T, we write 2. 2 plus 2 plus 2 into. Again, here we make a bracket. 2 square minus 2 cube. Right? 2 plus 2 is 4 plus अब आपको 2 into 2 नहीं करना है, वो रॉन्ग हो जाएगा। पहले आपको 2 का स्क्वायर करना है, राइट? तो यहाँ पे हम लिखेंगे 2 स्क्वायर is 4 minus 2 cube is 8. So here 4 plus 2 4s are 8 minus 8. Plus 8 minus 8 will be cut. So here we got the answer 4. So now in the question number 2, Pt is equal to 2 plus t plus 2t square minus t cube is given. And here we got the P0 equals to 2, P1 equals to 4 and P2 is equal to 4. Now we see the question number 3 and 4. Now we see the question number 3. Here, question number 3 in Px is given x cube. Px is equal to x cube is given and we want P0, P1 and P2. Right? So one by one in place of x we write 0, 1 and 2. First here we write P of 0. So in the place of x we write 0. So here we write 0 cube. 0 cube is 0. Right? Now we want P1. So in place of x we write 1. So here we write P1. So in the place of x we write 1. So it is 1 cube. And 1 raised to any power, it is always 1. Right? Here we get 1. And here P2, here we write. So in place of x, we write 2. So here we get 2 cube is equal to 8. So in the question number 3, Px is equal to x cube is given. And here we get P0 is equal to 0, P1 is equal to 1 and P2 is equal to 8. Now we see the question number 4 of 2. Here given Px is equal to x minus 1 in the second bracket, x plus 1 is given. And one by one we want the value of P0, P1 and P2. So in place of x we write 0, 1 and 2 respectively. So first we write the 0. So in the RHS, in place of x, we write 0. So here 0 minus 1 into 0 plus 1. Right? So you know that 0 minus 1 means minus 1. Right? Minus 1. But you have to make here bracket because these two brackets I means multiplication form. So 0 plus 1, 1 हो जाएगा. Minus 1 into 1, here we get minus 1. Right? Now, again we find here P1. P1 in place of x, we write 1. So in the first bracket, we write 1 minus 1. In the second bracket, we write 1 plus 1. So 1 minus 1, it is 0 in the bracket because they are in the multiplication form. So here we write the bracket. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 0 into 2 is equal to 0. Now we find the value of 2, P2. Right? So P2, so in the RHS, in place of x, we write 2. Here 2 minus 1 and 2 plus 1. In the two brackets we write, Right? 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. In the bracket we write, and 2 plus 1 in the bracket we write 3. And here 1 3s are 3. So in the question number 4 of 2, here px is equal to x minus 1, x plus 1 is given. So here we got p0 is equal to minus 1, p1 is equal to 0, and p2 is equal to